Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add VRC Coin in Trust Wallet. Alright, your first step would be to open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link is in the description of the video. Alright, so once here, where we have the virtual coin, which is the VRC coin, when you simply scroll down, you'd find that there is no contract address to copy, as this token solely exists on its own network, its own chain. So in order to add this coin to your wallet, you're going to have to add the network to your wallet and then use its token. So minimize and open up your Trust Wallet application. Make sure your Trust Wallet has been properly set up. And all you need to do is, where we have the icon at the top right, click on this icon. Where we have Manage Crypto, the plus icon, select this. And under Networks, head to the Network section. Make sure it's set to Ethereum. And then for its name, VRC Chain. So VRC, just type that in. Its symbol is VRC. The node URL, which is going to be in the link in the description. And then its Explorer URL. And all you need to do now is simply click on Import. So once you've clicked on the Import option, this token is going to be added to your wallet by default. So it's going to exist as a network and also have its token as well. So click on OK. As you can see here, it says chain added successfully. Now you can send, receive VRC chain coins, add tokens, browse, and connect to the apps. So click on OK, and boom, the VRC coin is here. So if you were to head over to the search icon at the top of the screen and simply type in VRC, you'd find the VRC chain token here, where you can simply receive or send. So guys, that's how you can add this coin to your wallet. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe.